Imagine a drink so potent, so powerful, it gives belly fat a one-way ticket to oblivion. Welcome to the world of the Belly Fat Burner drink, the strongest, most effective weapon in your arsenal for a healthier, leaner you. Our journey begins with a simple ingredient: water. Not just any water, but 2 cups of warm, inviting water. It's the canvas onto which we'll paint our health masterpiece. Next, we introduce the zest of 1 lemon. This citrus superstar is not only a vitamin C powerhouse, but also a fat-burning champion. As we stir in the lemon zest, we're infusing our drink with a tangy kick and a metabolism-boosting punch. Then comes the spice of life: 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. This fiery root ramps up the heat in our belly fat burner drink, stimulating digestion and torching those stubborn fat cells. Our 4th ingredient is a pinch of cayenne pepper. This might surprise some, but this spicy addition boosts the metabolism and helps the body burn extra calories. Last but not least, 1 tablespoon of honey enters the mix. Honey offers a touch of natural sweetness to balance the spiciness, and it also has the ability to burn fat while you're sleeping. Mix all these ingredients together and voila! We have our belly fat burner drink. Now imagine sipping this elixir, feeling its warmth and the zest, the spice, the sweetness all playing a symphony on your tongue. As you enjoy this drink, you're not just tantalizing your taste buds, you're also declaring war on belly fat. Yes, it's that simple, and yes, it's that powerful. But don't just take our word for it. Brew this belly fat burner drink. Experience its zest, its heat, its sweet and spicy harmony. Feel its power. Then share your experiences, share your victories. Remember, every sip is a step towards a healthier, leaner you. So here's to your health. Here's to your victory over belly fat. As the golden hue of honey swirls in your drink, let's take a moment to swirl in the world of our health-conscious community. If you found this belly fat burner recipe helpful, and you're excited about your journey towards a healthier you, then we'd love to have you as part of our family. Go ahead, hit that like button and let us know that you're joining us on this journey. Your likes are our motivation to keep bringing you more healthful tips and tricks. But the journey doesn't end here. We have a myriad of healthful recipes, tips, and workouts waiting for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Remember, every click is a step towards a healthier, happier you. And let's not forget, we're all in this together. Share this video with your friends, family, and anyone you think could benefit from this belly fat burner drink. Spread the love, spread the health. Your shares could be the catalyst for someone else's health revolution. And lastly, we value your feedback. Have any questions? Any requests? Leave them in the comments section below. We're here to help you on your journey. So here's to your health. Here's to your victory over belly fat. And here's to our growing community of warriors fighting the good fight for health and happiness. Cheers!